Hello everyone, and welcome back to another. For the first time in about a year. So, what was it called? Multiplayer announcement. It would be awesome. Anyways, let's check it out. Wait, what did it say? Teardown is an isolating. That just says it all. It is gonna be multiplayer. They finally did. Why would they else have third person? Yeah. Wait, is that there gonna be new missions that you can play as? But something big is coming. I know. Yes! Wow! Finally! Just took 4 years! Oh! Oh my god! There we go. God damn it. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna play some Teardown. I need to play some Teardown. Finally, for my 30,000 hour announcement. Please.